I'd like to pass it to Sean Mueller, who will be giving a talk titled Not All Particulate Matter is Created Equal, Characterizing Urban Ultrafine Particle Heterogeneity.
Thanks, Evan. Hi, I'm Sean Mueller. I'm a first-year PhD student in the Environmental Health Department and first-year urban trainee, and I'm excited to share a study I've been developing through the Urban Methods course. Next. Air pollution is a pervasive problem to human health. However, not all air pollutants are the same, and this is particularly important for particulate matter, with ultrafine particles being 1,000 times smaller than the width of human hair, and these are not regulated by federal air quality standards. Because of their small size, ultrafine particles can penetrate deep into your respiratory tract and cause health problems. These small particles are also remarkably heterogeneous and can harbor lots of different toxins on their surface. So this is all to say that it is important to know not just how much air pollution we're exposed to, but what kind of particles are we breathing? You can click. This is especially challenging to understand in urban environments where there are many sources generating ultrafine particles, including aviation and automobiles. And to repeat myself, these particles are unregulated, so there is no standardized monitoring. Next. So my hypothesis is that we can use these differences in a meaningful way to differentiate between pollution sources by measuring the particle number concentration, size distribution, and chemical composition, and apply this in the context of aviation versus non-aviation sources. Next. So the first step in all of this is a field monitoring campaign in Boston, where we would deploy instruments in communities impacted by major transportation sources. So you can see highway sites in red are near the major interstate highways, and aviation sites in yellow are in locations downwind of Logan Airport. And these instruments can measure particle composition on the bottom left and particle number concentration on the bottom right. Click. And the second step is to analyze this data with a high-powered microscope, and this will provide images like you can see on the right, where you can see different particle shapes and sizes. And we would compare the highway and aviation sites where we would expect to have distinct images. Next. So in summary, small particles can have a big impact, and analyzing these unregulated air pollutants will help us understand how different sources can differentially impact health. Thank you.